DEJ face cream just made retinol look lazy. Real jawline proof.
Ever looked in the mirror at 3 p.m. and seen your mom staring back, except she's having a worse day? Last Tuesday, I caught my jawline trying to escape south permanently. If your face has quietly started a mutiny against you, comment traitor below. You're not aging, you're just tired of losing.
Every selfie angle gets worse, concealer settles into lines that weren't there yesterday, and your skin feels like it's drinking water through a straw. Imagine waking up and your face actually feels tight in the right places. Lifted, glowy, alive. No extra steps, no sting, no lies. Keep watching. Your comeback is loading. Meet Revision Skincare DEJ Face Cream, the only moisturizer that goes straight for the dermal-epidermal junction like it owes it money. It floods your skin with peptides that lift and firm, prebiotics that make your microbiome throw a party, and antioxidants so strong they make pollution apologize. A 48-year-old esthetician I know almost canceled her lower facelift consult after 10 weeks. She sent me a selfie with the caption, "My neck just texted me, thank you." The texture melts in like velvet, zero greasiness, and you wake up looking illegally well rested. One influencer said her crepey chest turned back the clock so hard her husband asked if she got fillers. Bonus trick at the end that doubles the jawline snap. Stay with me.
This isn't hydration, it's structural rebellion. Skin feels thicker, bouncier, brighter, like someone turned the lights back on. A board-certified derm told me, "I've never seen a cream move the needle on laxity like DEJ without needles." Another analyst said it consistently beats $400 plus creams in blind texture tests because it actually rebuilds instead of just glazing over the problem. One user in her 50s said her friends accused her of work after 2 jars. Turns out it was just the DEJ getting its groove back. Yes, it's rich, but it's never heavy, never pills under makeup, and sensitive skin calls it the calm one. Thousands of us now refuse to sleep without it. See why the medical spa Facebook groups are in full meltdown over this cream? Tell me in the comments, which part of your face is staging the biggest revolt right now? Stock is legitimately running low again. Thousands of women and smart men have already claimed their jar and will fight you for the last one. Don't wake up tomorrow still mad at your reflection. Click the link, grab your DEJ face cream. Comment, lift me if you're ready to make your jawline scared to drop again. Let's go look expensive.